Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Powershell Get-AppxPackage not working. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand Appx SVC. Open Start. Change value data to 2, click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.